Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the often overlooked issue of overstimulation and how it can negatively impact our lives. Join us as we uncover 10 compelling reasons why overstimulation is ruining your life, and discover powerful solutions to reclaim your peace of mind. Section 1. What is overstimulation? To understand the effects of overstimulation, we must first define it. Overstimulation occurs when our senses are bombarded with excessive input, such as noise, information, or sensory overload. Let's explore how this pervasive phenomenon is affecting our well-being. Section 2. Negative impact on mental health. Overstimulation can wreak havoc on our mental health. It can lead to increased stress, anxiety, and even depression. The constant barrage of stimuli prevents our minds from finding deep relaxation, leaving us mentally exhausted and unable to perform at our best. Watch out for these telltale signs of overstimulation. Section 3. Sleep disruptions. One of the most significant consequences of overstimulation is its impact on our sleep. The blue light from screens, constant notifications, and a racing mind make it challenging to unwind and achieve restful sleep. Sleep disruptions can have far-reaching consequences on our physical and mental health, impairing our cognitive function and decision-making abilities. Section 4. Decreased productivity. Overstimulation takes a toll on our ability to concentrate and be productive. The constant distractions and information overload hinder our focus and impede our efficiency. As a result, our work suffers, leading to diminished performance and increased stress levels. Section 5. Impaired relationships. Overstimulation can strain our relationships. When we are constantly hooked to technology or overwhelmed by external stimuli, we tend to neglect the people around us. Meaningful connections are replaced by superficial interactions, eroding the quality of our relationships. Take a moment to reflect on how overstimulation might be impacting the bonds you hold dear. Section 6. Decline in creativity. Creativity thrives in quiet and reflective moments, which overstimulation robs us of. When our minds are preoccupied with external noise and excessive stimuli, it becomes challenging to tap into our creative potential. Rediscover the joy of creating by minimizing overstimulation in your daily life. Section 7. Physical health implications. Overstimulation doesn't just affect our minds, it also takes a toll on our physical health. The stress and anxiety resulting from constant stimuli can manifest in various ways, such as poor eating habits, lack of exercise, and even chronic health conditions. Let's take a moment to prioritize our well-being by managing overstimulation. Section 8. Impact on decision-making. The noise of overstimulation clouds our judgment and impairs our decision-making abilities. With countless distractions vying for our attention, it becomes increasingly challenging to make sound choices. By reducing overstimulation, we regain our mental clarity and make more informed decisions. Section 9. Sensory overload and burnout. Overstimulation often leads to sensory overload, where our senses are overwhelmed by their external environment. This constant bombardment can ultimately result in burnout, a state of emotional, mental, and physical exhaustion. Learn to recognize the signs of sensory overload and take proactive steps to protect your well-being. Section 10. Reclaiming your peace of mind. Now that we've explored the harmful effects of overstimulation, it's time to reclaim our peace of mind. By implementing strategies such as creating tech-free zones, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in self-care activities, we can find balance in our lives and combat the relentless tide of overstimulation. Remember, in this fast-paced, hyper-connected world, being aware of the detrimental effects of overstimulation is the first step towards regaining control of your life. By taking deliberate actions to minimize overstimulation, you can create a more peaceful and fulfilling existence. Thank you for joining us on this eye-opening journey. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more empowering content. Until next time, take care and reclaim your peace of mind.